Do you know what I sometimes long for? A trip to Brabant. There's nothing more beautiful than nature early in the morning. The grass trodden down at the side of the road looks tired and dusty like the inhabitants of a poor quarter. But on the road that I'm on, I must continue. If I do nothing, if I don't study, if I don't keep on trying, then I'm lost. That's how I see this. To keep on, that's what's needed. I still have work to do. I see that it isn't easy and will no doubt become much more difficult. Yet I have unfaltering hope that I'll succeed. And that my work will become better and more substantial. Success is sometimes the outcome of a whole string of failures. Be ourselves with faults and qualities. Oh, I shall do what I shall do, once broken the spell of you can't. And that a victory achieved after lifelong work and effort is better than one achieved more quickly. It's not in black that I see the future. Do you know what I sometimes long for? A trip to Brabant.